At number 5, we have the Elite Gourmet EFD319BNG. The Elite Gourmet EFD319BNG food dehydrator boasts a range of features that cater to the health-conscious and hobbyists alike. With adjustable temperature controls ranging from 95 to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, it allows for optimal dehydration of a variety of foods, ensuring even heat distribution thanks to its horizontal airflow. This model comes with 5 BPA-free 11.4-inch trays, providing ample space for drying fruits, vegetables, meats, and more. Its design includes a bottom-mounted fan for consistent air circulation and transparent trays for monitoring progress without interrupting the drying process. Durability-wise, the dehydrator is equipped with dishwasher-safe parts, simplifying cleanup. However, some users have noted that the top lid can be prone to cracking and the temperature dial may not always be accurate. Additionally, the drying time for certain items like jerky might be longer than expected, and the racks could feel somewhat flimsy, potentially requiring replacement over time. The product is backed by a 1-year limited warranty, offering repair or replacement for manufacturing defects. Its sleek, compact design fits well in modern kitchens, but the appliance's performance may vary based on the load and type of food being dehydrated. Overall, it's designed for easy use, featuring straightforward setup and maintenance.